if you are a student and looking for ways to earn decent passive income, then this video is for you. So in this video, I will suggest a platform where every student can literally earn a lot of money, and sometimes you can also earn money equivalent to what a job pays for you. Yes, it is possible. The platform is Studypool. So you can upload your old study materials, you can upload your old notes, or you can also answer the homework questions in the platform to earn money. So I will show you how you can actually do that. So this is a website called studypool.com. So if you can see, you can find the link of this in the description. So there are different ways as a student to earn from this platform. So the first one is by selling study materials, or selling your notes or old materials or whatever it might be. So you can see in the home page, you will see the option called sell documents. So if you click on this, so you will find how you can actually do that. So if you upload your file and that is a valid file, I mean that is something that is created by you, then ultimately for each and every download you will get $10, which means around 750 rupees for each approved document. So what all the things that you need to do is you need to make sure that that is created by you, that is not something that you have downloaded from the internet. So make sure, if you have in notes, let's suppose you have in notes for a particular subject, just scan the complete notes and upload it here, and give the title as, let's suppose the name of that subject is computer networks. I mean, give it a title like computer networks full notes, a kind of thing. So if you upload it, for each and every download in Studypool, you will get $10. And if you don't know what Studypool is, so you can sell your notes or you can purchase any notes, or if you're someone who is looking for any notes or study materials, you can also find here. So there is also other options. So if you can see in the menu, you will find an option called become a tutor. So apart from selling your notes and materials, you can also become a tutor. So what you need to do as a tutor is, so people might ask their homework questions in this platform. So if you can register as a tutor, you can answer this question. Simply you can answer these questions, and for every correct answer that is approved, you will get money here. So these are all the multiple ways that you can utilize in Studypool to make decent passive income. And if you're someone who has some time to utilize this platform, then you can make money easily. So, and you don't need to be a topper to do this. Every student can do this. Every student has some notes with them. Every student has some materials with them. And make sure that is something that is written by you or created by you. Otherwise, don't do that, because application will get rejected. So make sure that is your notes that is written by you. Or I can say, if you become a tutor, so answer any question. So if you feel that you know the answer for the particular question, provide them an answer, then ultimately you will be paid. So this is how you can make money using a platform called Studypool. So I hope it will really help you. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video and if you want someone else to benefit out of it, please like and share in your network. Also, if you are a new visitor to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.